Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated each time I post a new video. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your MetaTrader 4 on Android. So you go to Play Store and download MetaTrader 4 for your Android, and then excuse me, and then you open it. So when you open it, this is what you are going to see. Actually, I had pre-downloaded my MetaTrader 4, so I am going to show you how you set up. So when you download it, so you're going to be given a MetaQuote demo account by MetaTrader. So that is where you can be able to practice your trading skills, your strategies, trade there with your virtual money. I have 100,000 USDs. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how to set up your main chart, the color. So once you have already downloaded it, the first thing you want to do is adjust the colors. I don't like black and white, so we're going to change the colors. So let me show you how to change the colors. You go to settings, and then you go to colors, color scheme. So here we're going to change four things: bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle. So bar up, we're going to change it to green, and bar down, we're going to change it to red. Bull candle, we're going to change it to the same green that we used on bar up, and then the bear candle, we're going to use the same red that we have used on the bar down, and then we say done. So when we go to the chart, it's so pretty, it looks like that. So we're going to adjust a few things here, and I'm going to show you how. So we'll start by the plus sign that you see on at the top. So the plus sign is it's like the cursor on your screen, or you call it the mouse. So the F sign is where the indicators are. So you get the trend, the oscillators, you get the volumes, there's Bill Williams, all of those. So those are used to analyze the market. Then you go back, there is the dollar sign at the top. So where the dollar sign at the top is, it shows you the pairs that you can be able to trade. So you can be able to click on GBP USD, USD Japanese yen, USD Canadian dollars, there is the USD Swiss franc, all of those appear there. So there is the clock, the clock sign. When you click that, it shows you the different time frames that you can be able to look at on a chart. We have the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. So all those are the time frames that you can be able to look at, and the time frames normally represent the candle. So if you're on to a 15-minute time frame, it means that every candle on the chart is equal to the 15 time frame. The same for the different time frames. Okay, so we go to the final one, the plus sign at the end. So when you click onto that, now that is where you're able to execute your orders. So when you go to, you can be able to have different orders. There is an instant execution by the market, and then you can be able to buy there is a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So those one will get into that in the next lesson. So but today I'm just showing you how to set up. So you have all of those. So you go back to quotes. When you go to the quotes, is the same. You can be able now to see the volumes, the spread on the quotes, and it shows you the bid and ask price. So yeah, So let's go back to the chart actually. So when you go back to the chart now, I want to show you how to add indicators onto your chart. So you click on the F sign at the top, and then I want to show you how to add a moving average onto the window that we are using, the chart. So we click on that. We have the parameters are as they appear on the screen. You click done. So you have that. Oh, we have to change the color because I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the colors that I'm using. So we can use brown on this. Done. Yeah, so brown is a bit, yeah, can't be said. So we are going to move on and add another moving average. So the moving average here, we were using 5, so this one we adjust it to 15. Just add 1, and then we change the pixels to 3 pixels, and then we're going to change the color again to let's use purple. Then we click done. So it is done. So these are the two moving averages that you've used. So we'll get into another lesson where we're going to see how to set up moving averages to be able to know the market movement. But today, so let's move on. Let me show you how to add another window so onto the main chart. So right now we only have this window, but we can add another window at the bottom so that we're able to know the volumes or the market volatility, or we can know the direction of the market. So for that, we're going to add another window where we're going to use the MACD. So when we add the MACD with the following parameters, then we click done, it will appear on a different window from what we have currently. So here we go. So this is the MACD. You see, that is the MACD. So now we have two windows. The first one, which is the main chart where the candles appear, and then the bottom, the second window. Let me call it the second window, where now the MACD appears. So you can be able to add more. You can be able to add more indicators onto your main chart. Right now I can be able to add Bollinger Bands so that I'm able to know the market volatility. So I am just going to use the parameters they are, and then I'm going to click done, and I get all those three. There are actually three lines that appear when you add Bollinger Band. So you have the upper Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. So we'll get into details as we continue, but for today I just wanted to show you that. So the other thing that I'm going to show you today is how to execute an order or place an order into the market. So for instance, let's get a different pair and look at it. We are just going to put an order on it and then decide, okay, just decide on whatever direction it's going so we can put an order on it. Okay, so right now we are having we are having GBP USD, but it seems like my yes, so I'm going to show you how to execute that order. So here we are. So the market is quite slow today, so we're going to use, let me get my favorite pair. So we're going to go to Audi JPY. So right now we're going to load that, and it's taking some time to load, but we'll get it. Once we get it, I will show you how to input an order. Actually, you need a very fast internet connection to be able to trade with your phone. You see, for that you can't compromise on your internet connection. So yeah, so we input a sell order on this, and we're going to use a standard lot, which is 1. So that is a standard lot. So we sell. That's how you're done. So we have already executed an order. So for closing, you just tap on the current order, and then you click on the tick sign where you close with a loss. Right now I can close with a loss of $14, but because it's a demo account, I can just show you. That's how you close, and you're all done. So yes, so that is how you can set up your trading account, actually your demo account on MetaTrader 4. So the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to pick the right broker for your needs and how you can be able to start trading with a broker. So kindly subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.